In this video, I'm going to show you how to move apps to another drive on Windows. So what you'll have to do is basically, let me just go and open my folders. So as you can see in my PC, I have this drive is full. And as an example, I just bought a new drive and plug it in, and I want to start moving some stuff into it. So how can we do that? Of course, moving some apps will be easy if it's downloaded from the Microsoft Store. There is this option. So, for example, you can open the settings, click on the applications, click on installed apps, and if an application is installed from Microsoft Store, you can just go and click on three dots and you'll find the move option to move it. But if it's not, if it's downloaded, if it's a desktop app like Chrome, Adobe, Steam, usually this can't be moved like in the usual way, which is this move option. So the normal way or the best way that I can advise you of is reinstalling application to another drive. It's best for big programs. You can just go again to the settings example, go to applications, go to install applications, and make sure to go to the app that you want to move and click on install. And make sure to go and install it back on the new drive. This is one of the easiest ways or methods to do, and it will make it very, very easy for you so you don't have to make yourself get dizzy. Also, you can try to move, as example, Steam or Epic Games to another ride without any problems. So, example, through Steam, you can just go and access the settings. You'll find downloads, and you can go to Steam library folders, and you can go and change that. What you shouldn't do is just don't copy paste program files. Manually moving folders from your C program files may break the applications, and always use the built-in move option or reinstall properly. But if you still wanna risk it, an example, it is a little bit risky to be honest, especially if you are not a good tech heavy guy. So in order to move it, you will need to use the command prompt. So before, as example, make sure to run as administrator. And of course, I'm going to open a notepad as example or sticky notes for you. So in order to show you what you will need to type. So maybe later. And again, I will need to remind you again, only use this for apps that don't break when moved manually. And also make sure to back up first if you are unsure of what you're doing. And of course, it works best with non-sensitive folders like games, assets, cache folders, or large resources. So as an example, let me just go here again to this folder. And let's say an example here in my program files, I want to remove an application, maybe let me just go and look for maybe an example, this hide.net application. So of course we'll need the file of it. So I'm just going to click here on copy address and I'll need this. And again, I'm going of course to my PC again, go to the new drive. I'm just going to create here an example folder called apps. And I'm just going into that apps and I'm going to click in here, copy address, come back here, and I'm just going to paste this right here. And what I'll need to do is simply copy what's after this backslash and end it or add it right here. So normally our command, it will be something like this. It's going to be mk link. And here, of course, we'll have to add the new. This is, of course, called like a symbolic link. And you can use this example to this command. So, of course, we'll have to use the backslash d or slash d, sorry, a big D, of course, and this will create a directory symbolic link, and then you will have to enter the first path and then the second. So space and the second path. And of course, both of them should be inside quotes. Like this. This should be inside quotes as well. So now we're kind of done. All you need to do, just go and paste that into the CMD. So, and hit the enter button. Oh, so I got this problem because of one thing, because I already included the D here. So I'll just remove this backslash D from here and I should be good to go. So if it gets access denied, probably didn't open it as administrator or you don't have access, as example, to the drive. Oh yeah, never mind. It's my bad. I forgot to add one thing here. Basically, at the end, you'll have to add something like hashtag or /G, and this should, as example, make this work. So if you find after that this option or problem of cannot create a file when that file already exists, all you need to do just go back to where it was, as an example. So we have it on C right here. It was like the VPN one, and all you need to do just go and delete it from here. And as I said, try to make a backup before doing any of that, especially if it's a good or it's an important app for you. So as an example, I'm just going to click on it and click on delete button, click on continue, and it should be deleted. So as an example, if you get this option that the action cannot be completed because the folder or a file is open on another program, this is it. So if it's already open somewhere, just all you need to do, just go and close it wherever it is opened. Of course, sometimes you might have to go and close it from the task manager itself. And once it is fully closed, you can just go back, as example, in there and click on try again. And once it is deleted, you will be able to go and run everything, and everything should be good to go. So for me, my task manager, I just look for VPN and I find the file and I right click on it and click on end task to close it. Let's just see if it will be deleted now. And as you can see, it is fully deleted right now. I can just go and close this and I should not find it here anymore. Now, if I go back, an example here to my command prompt, and I can just do it again. As you can see, it is created and it's moved from one drive to another. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.